All right, welcome to Online Maths TV. And in today's class, we have a little challenge on the board. The question says, if x to the power of 3 all over 4, bracket open, square root of y all over s, close bracket, times y to the power of 5 all over 8 is equal to x to the power of m times y to the power of n. Evaluate n to the power of m. How do we solve this? Very simple. So here we take solution. The expression says x to the power of 3 all over 4, bracket open, the square root of y all over x, or close bracket, times y to the power of 5 all over 8. So what we're going to do here is to tackle the left-hand side of the equation first. Because at the end of the day, we are going to equate the left-hand side, whatever we have on the left-hand side, to the right-hand side. So by that, then we can open this bracket here. So this gives us x to the power of 4. If we open this bracket and change this square root sign to figure, this will now give us times y raised to power 2 all over x raised to power 1 all over 2. Okay? Then y times y raised to 5 all over 8. So this is what we have from the second expression. So from here, this is all over divisible 1. This is all over divisible 1. From here, we can now shift this to this because here we are having x. So this will give us here x to the power of 3 all over 4 all over x to the power of 1 all over 2. It has not changed anything. There times y to the power of 1 all over 2 times y to the power of 5 all over 8. All right. So with this, let's proceed. We apply the law of indices here. This is a division sign. It says when the bases are the same and you have a division, then subtract the power. So if we take this power up, it turns to minus. Then this will now give us x to the power of 3 all over 4 minus 1 all over 2 times y. Here we have a multiplication and the bases are the same, so we add the power. So this will give us 1 all over 2 plus 5 all over 8. So from here, let's proceed forward. Now, if you take a look at this, if you carry out this simplification, it will give us x to the power of 1 all over 4, then times y. If you simplify this, this will give us 9 to the power of y to the power of 9 all over 8. So from here, this implies that 1 all over, this implies that x to the power of 1 all over 4 multiplied by 9 all over 8, so y raised to power this, there is equal to, here we have x to the power of m, y to the power of n. All right, now, if we simplify this, this means x to the power of 1 all over 4 is equal to x to the power of m, and y to the power of 9 all over 8 is equal to y to the power of n. So this simply means x raised to 1 all over 4 is equal to x raised to power of m, and y to the power of 9 all over 8 is equal to y to the power of n. Since there is an equality sign and the bases are also the same, so we can equally strike out the bases. So x will go with x, y will go with y. So we are now left with the powers. So equating the powers, this now implies that m is equal to 1 all over 4 and n is equal to 9 all over 8. But in the expression, Look at what we are asked to find here. Say we should evaluate n raised to power m. So we impute this into that. So this now implies that n to the power of m is equal to n is 9 all over 8. So we have here 9 all over 8 or raised to power 1 all over 4. But recall that this 9 all over 8 can also be written as 3 raised to power 2 all over 2 raised to power 3 or raised to power 1 all over 4. And if you use this 1 all over 4 to open this bracket, this will end up giving us 3 to the power of 1 all over 2 all over 2 to the power of 3 all over 4. This is our final answer. QED. Okay.